First cast, blue blood, whopper plopper, 21¼ inches.
Not a bad way to start the day, huh? Good job, Rob. Oh, look, we got this guy bank fishing now.
That man can't stay.
Get him, Dennis.
On order coming in, I'll just have to take one of these bottles.
9:15 update. I've missed a couple fish, not a lot. And I finally just got one fish in the boat a while ago because I didn't have my camera on. I turned it off because I haven't really been on any type of pattern. Caught the first fish on a Texas rig, Strike King Rage Menace, and you can see here to my right, you got a lot of grass that's dying out, but you got some that's still green. And it seems like the fish are relating to that greener grass. And there was more of it where we launched this morning, so I'm going to make my way back there, throw this Texas rig and see if I can't get into them. There's so much grass out here, I really don't know where to throw. Still learning. All right, let's see what we can do. Thought he was a lot bigger by the sound of all that splashing he was doing. See ya. Well, I didn't have the camera running, but I just caught one out of that reed patch to my left here. Man, they hit it so fast I can't catch up to them to set the hook.